Gabriel was returning from the field, and when he was returning from the field, he joined his wife. Means when he saw that the women of both the houses were fighting, then he also joined his wife. Ivan and his son rushed in to join the woman. Rushed meaning is ran. Even the Ivan's family or Ivan's son and he himself, they ran to join the woman of the Stachelberg of family, means to the woman of their family. Ivan was too strong, for he scattered all of them as they were pulling the collars of each other. Then Ivan was so strong that he had separated all the women, pulling some hair out of Gabriel's beard. And in this process, when he was pulling from the other people of the families from each other, then in this process, the Gabriel's beard hair came in Ivan's hand. Beard meaning is chin's hair. Their neighbors who came to see what the matter separated them with great difficulty, and even when the Gabriel's beard hair came in Ivan's hand, then the fight increased. So the neighbors who came after listening the fighting voices, they came and they asked what the matter, and they separated both the families with great difficulties. This is how the quarrel began, and from this the quarrel or the fight started between both the families. Gabriel wrapped the torn hair into a piece of paper, and Gabriel collected the hair which came in Ivan's hand. He wrapped those hair in a paper, and he went to the district court to seek justice, means to ask for justice, to ask for fairness, that he wanted to take the justice, that why Ivan had pulled his hair. I did grow my beard. Then he said he had grown his beard for pock marked meaning is mark or scars on the skin. Ivan to pull it out means he blamed Ivan that he hadn't or he started speaking in the rude manner that he hadn't grown his beard hair, so that the Ivan can pull them out. Therefore the dispute grew, and from that point, means from the reason that why Ivan had pulled his beard hair, due to that reason the fight started or fight increased. The old man is Ivan's father, who lay on the top of the oven, who was bedridden, tried to bring about reconciliation, and he wanted that the matter should be solved and the families should be joined, reunited. Reconciliation meaning is reunion. But they didn't listen. But the children of both the families, Ivan or the Gabriel, didn't listen. He said, "It's a stupid thing. You are after children," means you are following the. It's a stupid thing you are after, means you are doing this fight or you are increasing this fight without any reason. Children picking quarrel about such a paltry matter, that you are fighting over such a very small matter. Paltry meaning is very small. Just think, you should think, the whole thing began about an egg, and you are fighting just for an egg. The children may have taken it, maybe any of the children of the family has taken this egg. Well, what manner? What's the value of one egg? Means no problem if the one egg has been lost. God sends enough for all, and God has given many eggs previously, or we have a lot of eggs previously, that it could be sufficient. But the members of the family ignored to the advice of the old man. They thought that his words were mere senseless, means they are not sensible, because dotage meaning is old age. Due to the old age, he was not speaking sensible. The old man is not speaking sensible. Ivan would not make himself before his neighbor. Would not make himself before meaning is try to clear his point of view, and Ivan was not able to clear his point of view in front of his neighbor. He also went to the court. Means when the Gabriel went to the court for the justice, and Ivan tried to explain the matter, but they didn't listen, so Ivan also went to the court. They were tried by justice of peace and district court, means they went to the panchayat or the district court. As the court proceedings were taking place, the coupling pin of Gabriel's car went missing. Coupling pins are the pins used to join two parts of the car, and when the matter was resolving in the court, at the same time Gabriel's car's coupling pins were lost, and the woman of Gabriel's house, accused meaning is blamed Ivan's son of stealing it, and they blamed that Ivan's son had stolen those pins. So they again went to law to resolve the matter, and with another case of coupling pin, they went to the court for the next time also, that this matter should be solved in the court. At home, not a day passed without a quarrel or fight, and at both the homes, all were fighting or were quarreling with each other. The children too abused one another. They started abusing. They started speaking bad words to each other, having learnt it from their elder. Means by listening these words from their elder, they were using with each other. And when the woman happened to meet by the riverside, and when any time the women of both the houses, they met at the riverside where they were going for rinsing the clothes, means for washing the clothes, their arms didn't ring as much as their tongue nagged, means they at the place of washing clothes, just ring meaning is squeezing, at the place of washing clothes, their tongues were or they were using their tongues more at the place of washing the clothes. Nagged meaning is kept on going. Initially, the peasants insulted one another. These farmers, means Gabriel or Ivan, they insulted each other, but life became harder with every passing day. Means when the matter was not solved, the life of both the families was harder to live. Ivan and Gabriel kept suing each other. Suing meaning is they were speaking bad to each other. They were taking about on the small matters, even they started taking in the court, at the village assembly, district court, and before the justice of the peace, till the judges were fed up with them. Means even they were taking the small matters of their houses to the court, so the judges were also fed up. They were also tired with these both families. All this went on for 6 years, and this fight was continued all for 6 years. Only the old man lying on the top of a one kept telling them. The Ivan's father was the only person who was trying to understand them. Children, what are you doing? Stop all this paying back, means stop taking these all revenge. Keep to your work, do your work, and don't bear malice. Malice meaning is don't keep hearted in your hurt. But none paid heed to his advice, but no one had given any attention to his advice. In the 7th year, at the wedding, Ivan's daughter-in-law insulted Gabriel, accusing meaning is blaming him of horse stealing. That she accused Gabriel that he was a person who had stolen the horse. Gabriel was tipsy meaning is slightly drunk, and at that time Gabriel was slightly drunk, and he was unable to control his rage meaning is anger, and gave the woman such a blow that she was bedridden for a week. Blow meaning is she hit the woman, and in that process it was such a strong blow that she was bedridden for a week, means doctor advised her not to move for a week, and she was pregnant at that time. Ivan was delighted meaning is happy, and Ivan became happy by this thing, because he got another chance to complain against Gabriel, and he went to the magistrate, means he went to the judge for lodging a complaint, that he wanted to complain against Gabriel again. Now I will get rid of my neighbor, and then he thought that he would get a justice against his neighbors. He will not escape imprisonment, and in this process, now at that time he said that the court would surely give him punishment, whether he would be sent in the jail. Imprisonment meaning is he would be sent in the jail or exiled to Siberia, or court would give the order that he should leave the village and he would move to Siberia. But things didn't go as he had expected, but it didn't happen. The magistrate dismissed the case as the woman showed no signs of injury. But when the woman, that Ivan's daughter-in-law, had no any injury, just the doctor had advised her to take bed rest, but there was no wound on her body, so the judge or the court dismissed this case. On being examined, Ivan then went to the justice of peace. Then Ivan took the case to the justice of peace, but the case was referred to the district court. But justice of peace referred the court to the district court. Ivan treated the clerk, and in the district court, Ivan offered the clerk and the elders of the district court to a gallon of liquor. Means he gave a large amount of liquor, he gave a large amount of alcohol to the clerk and the elders of the court, and had Gabriel condemned to be flogged, because he wanted that the Gabriel should be punished, to be flogged. Flogged meaning is beat with stick as a punishment. Means he wanted that the court should give order that the Gabriel should be punished with a stick in the whole village, in front of whole village.